Homeowners and renters insurance, protecting your personal belongings. In this section, we will describe the benefits of insurance to protect the personal and real property of homeowners and renters. When it comes to insurance, understanding the various terminology is important. For homeowners insurance, a peril is anything that causes you to experience a loss, whereas a hazard is a situation that increases the probability of loss from a peril. A hurricane is a peril, so if you live in a hazardous area like Florida, you should ensure that hurricanes are a named peril within your property insurance. Remember this chart? We've seen it before, as it helps with the decision process of when and if to purchase insurance. Because a home is often the most valuable asset for most American households, the severity of risk is high. Most mortgage lenders require homeowners insurance before extending you a loan, but it's still important to understand how much risk you're willing to accept and how much to insure when selecting an appropriate policy. A homeowner's policy typically consists of 6 parts. A, replacement for your dwelling and personal property. B, replacement for other structures on the insured property. C, replacement for personal property or contents. D, loss of use payments or rent if you're a landlord. E, liability coverage. And F, medical payment coverage for others injured on your property. When you purchase homeowners insurance, you'll want to make sure that if you own any specialty item, that you purchased a rider for these items. The standard personal property payout is only $2,500, so if you have an expensive collection of, say, coins, artwork, or sports equipment, or even very expensive furniture, you'll want to make sure that these are named and insured at their value within your insurance illustration. People with multiple assets to be insured will also want to purchase a personal liability umbrella policy, or PLUP, in the amount of at least $1 million. An umbrella policy provides peace of mind just in case something bad happens and provides comprehensive liability protection that goes beyond your home.
Answer verbal question 1 now. What should you purchase for a specialty item? What should you purchase for a specialty item? Answer verbal question 1.
About 1 in 3 Americans today rent their residence, and in those cases, the owner of the property will want to purchase homeowners policy with liability protection, but the renter will also want to purchase their own policy for their personal belongings within the house. Otherwise, if the resident burns down, your landlord will be covered through his policy, but your property would be completely lost. Renter's insurance is extremely inexpensive, so there's really no reason not to protect yourself. Most renters insurance policies cover the loss of personal property, personal liability, medical payments to others, and the loss of use of the property. You can get reimbursed if you suffer a property loss from any named peril. It does not necessarily need to occur within your rented residence. Renters insurance covers you no matter where you are.